Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the left front surface element switch in your electric range, be sure to shut off the power supply to the outlet or junction box. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the lower screws to release the upper rear access panel brace. Next, unthread the upper screws securing the panel. Disconnect the wire connector from the control board to fully release the panel. Pull off the appropriate control knob and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the mounting screws, securing the bezel and element switch. Remove the old switch. Note the location of the wires, then disconnect the wire connectors. Install the new surface element switch by first connecting the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals. Insert a screw through the top hole of the control knob bezel and align the bezel on the control panel. Position the new switch, then thread and tighten the top screw. Thread and tighten the bottom screw. Replace the control knob on the switch stem. Reinstall the upper rear access panel by first connecting the wire connector to the control board. Align the panel and replace the upper screws. Realign the brace, then thread the lower screws. Restore power to the outlet or junction box, and the electric range should be ready for use.